Ryan Campbell here with Campbell & Company Real Estate, presenting to you today a wonderful opportunity for a retiree, downsizer, and even first-time home buyer. This one-owner property has been exceptionally well maintained, offering 2 bedrooms, completely finished, and within walking distance to all major amenities and very quick proximity to the Highway 403. Come on in, I can't wait to show you around. If you love what you've just seen and you'd like more information, be sure to reach out to any of us here at Campbell & Company Real Estate.